How to paste link in Wix website. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into wix.com using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the dashboard. On the dashboard, click on My Site and navigate to the site where you want to add the link. Now, click on the Edit Site button after navigating there and you'll be on this page. So this is the site editing page. Here you can customize your website anyhow you want. Now, in order to add a link to any part of your website, you will have to simply click on that part and click on Quick Edit. Now, in order to add link to your website, you need to understand that your website is divided into different sections, that is different blocks. So, if I would want to add link in this section, I will have to simply click on this plus icon, that is Add Elements button. Now, select text just right here and choose whether the link will be attached to a themed text, title, paragraph, collapsible text or a text mask. So I'm going to choose, for example, titles, and I'm going to choose this small title. As you can see, I just added this text on my section. Now in order to add a link to this text, I will first of all add this text name. I will increase the font size. So as you can see, I just added this text. Now in order to link it, I will have this small link option just right here. I will click on this, and when I click on this link, this opens up this menu. Now in this, you'll have to choose what do you want to link this text to, whether it is a page, web address, section or anchor, top or bottom of the page, document, email, phone number or lightbox. Now in order to add a page to this link, I will select page and click on choose a page. Now you can select all the pages you would have related to your website. You have home, about, contact, advertise, search results and much more. So you can select any one of these pages. For example, I will select profile. Now you can also add which items to display. So I'm going to select about in this. Now I will click on done. Now whenever someone will click on this link, this will take them to this about page of my website. Now in order to change this link, I will double click it. Select this link option, click on this cut link, select this link again. Now you can choose a web address. For example, I will navigate to one of my videos, copy this video's link, navigate back to my website and paste the link in this section, that is the web address URL section. Now you'll have to choose how does this link open, whether it is going to open up a new window or it is going to open just in the current window. Select that setting and click on done. Now this link is added to my YouTube video. So if I click on this preview button, now I'm going to click on this link button. As you can see, I just got navigated back to my YouTube video. So you can do that too by following my steps. Now I will click on back to editor. Now select add elements again, choose image, select upload image, click on upload from. Now upload any of these images. Now I'll select this and click on add to page. So I just added this image to my website. Now if I would want to convert this image into a link, I will simply select this image and click on this link button again. Now you can choose whether the link would be page, web address or any one of these things. So this time I will select email. Now enter the email address in this field. Now add the email address where you want to redirect to and click on done. You can also add a subject, but I'm not going to do that. Now whenever someone will click on this image, it will redirect them to a specific email, that is my email. So that's how you can add link to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell.